What is the most annoying situation when selling beauty products online? I guess someone will say replacements and returns. What if customers who buys from you want to make a replacement or return? How to deal with that? Don't worry, Yoycol will help you solve problems if you choose Yoycol as your POD partner. Hi, welcome to Yoycol. In this video, I'm going to talk about return policy of Yoycol. POD products are made based on orders and they are stock-free, so returns and replacements can be difficult to deal with. Yoycol is striving to offering the top quality products dedicated to optimizing printing technology. This will surely lower the possibility of returns. But if any of your customers do find something wrong with our products, feel free to contact. And just a reminder, don't forget to request photos or evidence from your customers to avoid certain scams. Now, I'll talk about return policy in detail. Returns and replacements are mainly based on three issues: print issues, product issues, and logistic issues. Print issues: blurry print. Design details are fuzzy or different from the files you uploaded. Design misplacement. The placement of the printed design does not match the design placement. Peeling print. Print coming off in pieces. Scaling issue. Design printed too large or too small. Next, product issues. Broken, holes, torn, poor functioning. Items arrived flawed due to providers or carriers' act or omission. Stains, obvious ink spots, smears, or any other unknown stains on garment or items that do not exist at artwork. Underbase issue. White underbase visible either on the edges or on the print. Logistic issue. If your parcel is lost, logistics stagnated for more than 20 days, or damaged or shipped to the wrong address, it should be a logistic issue. The logistic stagnation caused by natural disasters and force majeure factors is not within the scope of responsibility. If you meet any of these issues, please contact us. Just send an email to Yoycol at support@yoycol.com or chat in GivoChat at Yoycol page. But please be aware of that. If there's no design quality or logistic issues, any claim is not accepted. Thank you for your understanding. Then I'll talk about the details of after-sales service. Materials needed for after-sales service. Please provide the order number, order mailbox, QR code, and clear photo of the product. Notice, for products with size error, the photo will better showcase the product's actual size. Time of replacement. For any replace issue, Yoycol will arrange replace issue within 1 day. Fulfillment time and shipping time depend on your order production time and your shipping destination. Time of refund. For any refund issue, Yoycol will process the refund within 3 business days. The time for refunding to account depends on the payment method. If it takes more than 7 business days, please contact us. Note, any claims for misprinted, damaged, defective item must be submitted within 7 days after production have been received. And the customer should provide a Yoycol unique QR code or shipping list. For package damage, all claims must be submitted no later than 72 hours after the delivery time. Claims deemed an error on our part are covered at our expense. That's all for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.